Hi everybody. So I've just been asked to do a video for some of my year 10s. They've been looking at multiplying matrices. They've just been doing a step up towards A-level, so fantastic, keep up all the good work. And it's great that so many of you are rising to a challenge, so awesome. So this question is just one I picked up on. I'm going to do two. So unfortunately it's two videos. I have no idea how to stitch them together at the moment using my iPad. I'll go with it. So, here is the question. Now, remember when multiplying matrices, the first thing to do is work out what the answer is going to look like. So here, I've got a 2 by 3 matrices. So remember, that's 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay? So, that's a 2 by 3 matrices. That is being multiplied by a 3 rows and 2 columns. So again, 2 3's in the middle, that gives me a 2 by 2 matrices for my answer. Then what I'm having to do is multiply each row by each column, and that's going to give me my answer in each part of the matrices. This bit here then, so I've got -6 times by 1, A times by -4 and 2 times by -4, and you are adding those numbers. Okay. Then for the next row, I've got B times by 1 added to -11 times by 4 added to 7 times by -4. So you go along and then down. Okay. Then I've got the other bit as well. So hopefully you can see what I'm doing. So this one here is this row multiplied by this column there, and I'm adding them. And then collecting like terms, multiplying out and following the rules of BIDMAS. -6, 4a, -8, and so on. Now you can see here with this one, I can actually work that out automatically. So 18 plus 24 is 42. Now if I'm looking at my answer, I've got to find what C is, and I've now found C by adding those two together. So C is 42. Great stuff. Then it gets a little bit harder. So next step is always, again, so collect like terms. Now some of you may be trying to go from multiplying straight down to here or even there, and that is where you might be making mistakes. Make sure you do each step so you can see all the different steps that I've made. So here I've got -14 plus 4a. So again, it is the simple mistakes is where you might be going wrong. So think about collecting like terms. Symbol in front of a number is important. -14 plus 4a. Now that should equal -48. Or in other words, to find my value of a. So that is what I've done here. So I've taken this part of the matrices, and that is equal to -38 when I found the value of A. So I can make them equal, and then I've just got a simple equation. So add 14 to both sides, gives me 4a equals -24. Divide by 4, a is -6. I've now found A over here. A is -6. Then I've got two bits of matrices that I could find to use to find B. I'm going to use the easy one. There's only a coefficient of 1 here for B. So B take away 72. That is equal to -14. Okay. Same part of the matrices. So B is take away 72 is equal to -14. I just have to add 72 to both sides, and therefore I have now found B to be 86. So I'm going to try and do another example, then try and stitch it together. If not, it'll be two separate videos. All right.